Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel your order on Taobao step by step. First, make sure you're logged into the account where the order was placed. You will need access to the lead orders first. Now go to your order history here. Here you can see all the orders. Next, go to your order history. However, the profile icon, then click on the My Orders. Now locate the item you want to cancel and click on the order details. If the item hasn't shipped yet, you will see an option to cancel. If it has been processed, click on to return to warehouse or similar option. It has already shipped. You will need to contact the seller if it's already shipped. Now, to contact the seller, click the message icon next to the item. Politely ask them to cancel the order. Many will respond quickly. And that's it. If your request is accepted, you will receive a refund automatically within a few days, depending on your payment method. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.